Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're having problem and your device says cannot turn on flashlight because the light is being used by another app, today's video, let's go ahead and fix that problem. So this happens when your application or let's say your camera app is using a flash and you are trying to open your flash of your device. In order to fix this, make sure that you clear all the opened apps. So make sure you close it all. And once you do so, let's head over to your settings application. Scroll all the way below, tap on apps. Here tap on camera and then tap storage, clear the cache. Once you do so, tap on force stop and then OK. Now once done, restart your device and then simply launch your flashlight and this shall work. If it's still not working, then you can also try and simply turn on your airplane mode for 10 seconds. Turn it off and this shall work.